this question here is from phase 5 alcohol phenols ethers, and this is question number 1 from exercise 2. The question is asking about an organic compound waste. The compound A with the molecular formula of C7H8O is dissolving in NaOH. It is dissolving in NaOH and gives the characteristic color with FeCl. So first and foremost thing what we have to remember is whenever it is a sodium hydroxide dissolved, most preferably, and that too reaction with FeCl3, so it's very well known that it has to be phenol. It has to be phenol. In almost all the organic compounds, what we have come across with, phenols are the ones which give positive tests with neutral ferric chloride. So here the characteristic color with FeCl3 confirms that it is a phenol for us. On treatment with bromine will give you tribromo compound. So we are making it to react with the bromine and we got a tribromo product. So this is the clue what you have here, idea to identify what will be the product. So what is the tribromo product formula? It is given as C7H5OBr3. Looking at the molecule formula of C7H8O, you have to analyze that it is a highly unsaturated compound. It has 7 carbons, so it gives a positive test with FeCl3. So it has high degree of unsaturation. So phenol has to be the answer. Now, what is the option given? We have been given with para-hydroxybenzene. So let's write the para-hydroxybenzene. If we write it as para-hydroxybenzene, we are going to have para-hydroxybenzene is not a particularly this one. What we can say a proper option what is given, because here only ortho positions are feasible. Okay. Then we have propane. A straight chain 2-phenyl propane is given. So that also is not a proper what you can say molecule, because this is propane, proper chain. Let's take propane chain. And we have 2-methoxy OCH3 and 2-phenyl propane. So this is how the reaction is given, and you are expected to nitrate it. This is not a phenol, so this is completely out of question. There is no phenolic group here. So A and B are not our answers. Then comes the metacresol and the paracresol. Now metacresol and paracresol, one can be the answer for us. So let's see how many positions are possible for the metacresol. So metacresol means we have a phenolic group and at the meta position we have a methyl group. Now here what we can see is we have a para position available. We have ortho positions available. So there is a possibility of tribromo compound here with respect to that of the phenolic group. A para position and 2 ortho positions. So this tribromo compound can be obtained from it. You can see here, I will write the product. OH, Br, and a bromo group and the methyl group, already existing methyl. But if we take a paracresol, if we are taking paracresol, what will happen? One of the group, one of the position is occupied here. See, CH3 is occupied. So the only positions available are ortho. Only positions possible are ortho. So here what is happening? Only dibromo compound is possible. Dibromo compound is possible. So the answer is metacresol. The answer is metacresol. Thank you.